Hey everyone, Ashley here from the OLAPLEX Global Education team, and I'm gonna show you how to take your clients' dull, brassy blonde, lightened, or gray hair to bright, evenly toned, strong and healthy looking, right at the bowl with the OLAPLEX Unbreakable Blonde System. Number 4P leaves hair 3 times brighter compared to other top purple shampoos. And number 5P conditioner locks in brightness with microfine pigments in a weightless root to tip formula that softens and hydrates. Meet our gorgeous model, Alexa. She has beautiful blonde hair, but as we all know, sometimes that brassiness sneaks in. But fear not, because today we've got the perfect duo to turn things around. OLAPLEX number 4P and number 5P, our toning purple shampoo and conditioner. Now you might be wondering, why purple? Well, let me break it down for you. Purple is the opposite of yellow on the color wheel, so it neutralizes those unwanted warm tones in blonde hair, leaving you with a cooler, brighter blonde. It's like a color correction magic trick. First up, we've got OLAPLEX number 4P, our purple shampoo. This baby is sulfate-free, which means it's gentle on your hair while still packing a punch against brassiness. And the best part, it's super easy to use. We're going to apply a generous amount of number 4P to wet hair, lather it up, and let it set for a few minutes. The purple magic is working to tone down those unwanted brassy hues while still leaving your hair looking vibrant and refreshed. Now let's talk about the second part of this dynamic duo, OLAPLEX number 5P, our purple conditioner. This is where the hydration and nourishment come into play. Number 5P is a weightless root to tip formula that softens and hydrates while locking in brightness with microfine pigments. Now we're gonna go in with the number 5P conditioner after using the 4P shampoo. Leave it on for a couple of minutes and let it work its magic. The great thing about the Unbreakable Blonde system is the ability to customize. Whether it's leaving on for 2 or 5 minutes, or how often you add it into your routine, every type of blonde can benefit, from platinum to gray and all textures of lightened hair. And voila, look at that transformation, from brassy to bright in just a few simple steps. OLAPLEX number 4P and number 5P are a powerhouse duo, making sure your blonde stays looking its best. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. If you're ready to kick brassiness to the curb and embrace that beautiful blonde, give OLAPLEX number 4P and number 5P Unbreakable Blonde System a try. No more unwanted yellow tones or dry, brittle blondes and grays. Your hair will thank you. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Until next time, OLAPLEX fam.